Hi there! Today, I'd like to discuss how to prevent late assignment submissions in Google Classroom using xFanatical SafeDoc. While Google Classroom allows students to submit work even after the due date, this flexibility may lead to procrastination or unfair advantages if some students consistently submit assignments late. Strict deadlines help students develop responsibility and respect for timelines, essential skills for both academic and real-world success. By restricting late submissions, educators can ensure all students are evaluated on a level playing field and help instill a sense of accountability. That's where xFanatical SafeDoc comes for the rescue. SafeDoc helps enforce assignment deadlines strictly, ensuring that work submitted after the due date is not accepted. Enforcing this policy helps cultivate discipline and motivates students to stay on schedule, fostering a more organized and productive learning environment. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the Block Classroom Assignment Late Submission policy and setting the value to True, you can prevent late assignment submissions in Google Classroom easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.